If you want to record sounds on your SONY Xperia L4, let's go for the Play Store. Right here type on the search and type recorder. And maybe we can get one of these applications, so I will probably go for this voice recorder. Click on the install. Let's open it. Click allow 3 times, and all you have to do is just to click on this button. And right now our smartphone is recording. There is also the notification. If you want to stop it, just click like that. You have to input the name, then you have to click on the OK or just cancel, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.